In this video, we're going to review how to change the batteries for the flow meter inside of the Extreme filtration system. Two things I'll point out before we get started. One is that this process can be completed with the system running and fully functional. It also can be completed with the system powered off. It is totally up to you. And second is that the flow rate meter is a good indicator of when to change your filter. Typically, you'll see the flow rate drop by about a gallon to a gallon and a half over the course of the life of the filter. And so once that happens, that's a good indication that it is time to change the filter. I've got a little bit longer tubing on my setup here, so you'll see that my flow rate is 5.5. Not sure if you can see that. 5.5. And so once that drops to 4.5 or 4, that's a good indication that it is time for me to change the filter. If you have the standard length tubing, your flow rate probably reads about 8.5 to 9.5. So whatever your starting point is, you can subtract about a gallon to a gallon and a half, and that's a good way to tell that you need to change the filter. And note that this flow rate meter is completely optional. It does not have to be running for the system to be functional, but it is a nice feature to show when your flow rate has decreased and it is time to change the filter. So the first step will be to remove the 4 screws that we see here that hold the top plate in place. Next, we will remove this plate here, and you'll see the batteries, the 2 AAA batteries underneath here. We will just pop these batteries out. Take the new set of batteries. And then just go ahead and place the plate back. All right, so now that we've gotten those screws secured back in, you see the flow meter is working. So that was a successful change of the batteries. Thank you for watching this video.